Hello everyone, this is the game from Unnati Books and Toy Library Matunga. It's about how a baby animal gets converted into a full animal, and we also understand the pattern of the baby as well as the place where it lives. So Riyansh, first which you want to start? Which baby?
Baby.
Which baby? Let's take the squab.
No.
This is a small pigeon, squab.
It could be Tori.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
Baby.
Now, baby. Now, what sort of pattern it has? This color, gray. Where will you get it?
You.
Get.
Me.
You take it. Very good.
This. It could this one.
Yeah,
Blah.
Yeah, that is it's this thing. The
flat. I give.
Very good.
Papa.
तारी मम्मी तो तारा पर बहुत टाइम आप एक बार
Yeah. Then this where does it stay? Air, land or water? Air, land or water?
Button.
This bird stays in water.
No.
Then air, land or water?
Button.
Water.
No.
Then
Usually.
that stays in water. Then what? Where does the bird stay? It flies
Let it kite.
in sky. So take that.
Yeah.
Take.
Okay. I'm going to turn it.
Yes. And now the main, how does the bird then grow? How the squab will grow, and it will become a
Yeah, did one.
which one?
Did one.
Take.
It could be Tori.
Yeah, it will become. Yeah, so take that. No, Riyansh. Will it become this? Is this the pattern?
No,
Then where is the?
did one.
Yeah.
Land.
What is this called?
Big Tori.
What is this called?
Bird.
Which bird?
Yeah.
Pigeon.
Big den.
Put here.
Big Tori. It become like this one.
Put. Okay. So we made one pattern of how the pigeon grows. Okay. Now we remove everything. Now we make the next pattern. Please remove. And just give me the air back. Thank you. Okay.
You want to put.
Yeah, that is over. Now that is over. Now we begin with parrot. No, we did one air. We take Riyansh, the fowl of zebra.
Yeah.
Zebra baby. Where is zebra baby? Zebra.
Wait. Here.
That's a zebra baby. It's called fowl. So first,
It got found.
first place the baby.
Okay.
Then what pattern is this?
No.
What pattern is this? Zebra pattern. Where is it? Get the pattern.
Pattern here.
Yeah.
I found it.
Do.
Here,
Yes. Yes. Now, where does the zebra stay? Air, land or water? Air, land or water?
Land.
Land. Yes, correct. So take land. Take. Take
My potato only one land.
land.
One.
Put.
Up.
Hmm.
Down.
Okay. And where is the main big zebra animal?
You.
Yeah.
See, it
Okay.
goes like big. Tori. It become like big one.
Yeah, correct. Now put.
Up. Down.
Okay.
Next.
So we have made a zebra also. Come on now. Next,
Full.
give me land
Full.
back.
Okay.
Land. Yeah, we put the land back. Okay, so zebra is done. Put the board over here. Let's make a starfish. Where is the baby starfish? Let's make the starfish. Where is the baby starfish? The larva, the baby starfish, the baby starfish, larva.
Dada. Okay.
Yes.
It become like the tori.
Yes, slowly they will grow. Now put. Okay. Starfish has got
તૂટી ગયું.
which pattern?
તૂટી ગયું.
તૂટી નથી ગયું. આ which pattern છે આવી starfish ની આવી? Which pattern? First take the pattern.
The pattern.
That's the main starfish. You can place it here. But which pattern is this? Can you find that block of pattern?
Okay.
This orange color kind of pattern?
Yeah.
No, not that. See this. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Join it. Join the pattern.
Yeah. Up. Down.
So now will it be on air, land or water? Starfish, where does it live?
Water.
Water. Okay, take water.
Yeah.
Yes.
Water.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Chalo, now remove everything.
Okay.
And take water and put it back. Water back. Put water back.
I know to put.
Good boy. Okay, now we do a parrot. So where is the parrot baby eaglet? There will be a parrot baby
Here.
Eaglet. No, that is kingfisher bird. Parrot baby. No, that's the chick. That's the kingfisher baby. Where is the parrot baby? Parrot.
Yeah.
Where is parrot baby?
Parrot. You.
See, look everywhere.
You.
Yeah, that's the main parrot.
What?
Main parrot. Here.
Look at it.
Okay. Take.
Up. Down.
Okay, now where is the parrot baby? How do we form it?
Parrot, baby.
Yeah, it's somewhere on a tree branch. Where's the parrot baby?
It goes like this.
Yeah.
Tori.
Yeah.
It becomes like this one.
Okay. Now can you find the the wings of the parrot, the pattern, green color?
Okay.
Green color.
Yeah.
Yes. So now where does the parrot live? Whether where does he fly? In the air, land or water?
Sky.
Sky, air, right? So take air. Please place it. Very good. Now remove everything again. Chalo. Now give me the air back.
Hello.
Hmm.
It's over here only.
Hmm.
It's over here.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Now can we form a tiger? First, can we have the tiger's baby, a tiger cub? Tiger
baby.
cub.
A tiger cup.
Yeah, tiger's baby, a tiger cub.
Here, tiger.
Tiger baby. Show me the tiger baby.
What the deep?
Take. That is lion cub. No, not tiger cub. Where's tiger cub? Tiger no, they
Yeah.
have lines, black color.
Yeah.
Please place it. Then what do we place here now? Can you find that?
Tiger cup.
Tiger's pattern. Where is the tiger's pattern?
Here.
That's the big tiger. Where do we place that? Yeah. Now how do we put here? What pattern we will put here?
A tiger cup. Here.
No, that's the lion. We first need the pattern, na?
Pattern. Here.
I think I don't know. We have missed the pattern somewhere.
Here.
Let's make this thing. What do we make? We'll make the lion cub first. Come, let's make the lion cub. Where's lion cub? Lion baby, lion baby. That's the main lion. Where's the lion baby?
Lion.
Now where's this pattern of furry pattern?
Here.
Yeah. And where does the lion stay? Land, air, or water?
Got.
Land.
Got.
In the forest, na?
It.
And yeah, on the grass. Correct. You were saying grass. Yeah. So take it. Take and place it here.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Here. Yeah.
We in part.
Place it. Land, air, water. Forest. Okay, take that. Forest. Amathi.
Forest.
Take. You take on your own. I'll not give you. Place.
Pop.
And now, what do we have here? Animal. Which animal?
Full.
Main. Full. Where is the full lion?
Here.
Yeah.
It become like this. Tori. It become like this one.
Okay. Okay, now come on, remove everything again. Give me the land back. Place the land back. Yeah, come on. Now can we do the kingfisher bird?
Here.
Yeah. Where's the baby chick of that baby bird? No, that's the main bird. You can't place it on the baby's name.
Okay. What? Now?
Yeah, okay. You want to do giraffe? Do giraffe. Come on. Where's the baby giraffe?
Giraffe.
Okay, giraffe.
Okay.
Okay, take. We do giraffe first. Come, let's make giraffe. Yeah, baby calf.
Calf.
Then the pattern of the giraffe.
Yo.
Yeah, please do it. And land, air, water.
Forest.
Forest. Okay.
Yo.
Now what will come here?
Full.
Full giraffe. Okay.
Full river. Giraffe.
Okay. Place it.
It because I did one.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now give me land back. Give me the land back. Land put here. Okay. Now Riyan, shall we do a fish?
Yes.
Where is a fish fry? Like a baby tiny.
We go to do this one.
Okay, do.
I go to do mathematics.
Mete karo. Okay. Place it here. How much place karo? There's some problem with the block. Okay. Just place it this way. It's okay. Fine. Okay. Chick. Then next. What's the pattern?
Baby tick.
The pattern.
You.
Oh, that you have to insert this way, na?
I go to it the this way only.
There's some problem with the block, so we're just doing it this way. Okay. No, Riyansh, pattern will come here, na? Yeah, but they have made it this way. It's okay. First you place the pattern, place the baby, the place. Unfortunately, the it's not matching with the names here, but it's okay. We can do it this way. Where does it go? Air, land, water. The baby chick. Where does it fly?
Sky.
Take it.
Yeah.
And your
Full.
full. Where is it?
Yeah.
Which bird is it called? Kingfisher.
It is equal cake fitter.
Yes, please place it.
Your mouth.
Yeah.
Your
Beak. It's called beak, not mouse. Not nose.
it's called beak.
Beak. Yeah, long beak.
And you got this one.
Okay. Place.
You get this one. Pop.
Okay, now remove. And we do the last one, which is a fish. We have a baby fish fry. And we have the...
Guy
name.
over here. Guy over here.
Okay. Come on, let's do this. Finish it. Riyansh, mete, do it. Come on in. Where is the baby fish? The pattern. Where does it stay? And the main fish. Come on, do it on your own. Fast.
Here, sit.
Yeah, take. That's the main fish, Riyansh.
What?
Main fish tree.
Sit. Over here.
Last. Do it on your own. Do it.
You baby fit.
Baby will come here.
Here.
Then what will come?
Baby fit.
Baby fish. Which pattern? Yeah, take that pattern. Take. Yes. Can you take the pattern?
Yeah.
Then what will you put there? Land, air, water. Okay. Take. Alright, so we finished this game.